guys, my name is Sofbirten. Today I'm going to talk about how to find out how long time you need to get a certain score for IELTS. Because in the last week, one of my Facebook friends told me that he must get a score 7 by July 2020. It's so necessary for him, and he seemed so worried about it. And so I know that in a Facebook group of people who prepare IELTS, there are so many members asked questions like, I have a beginner or intermediate level. Can I get a 6 or 7 scores if I prepare for 2 or 3 months? Or in order to get a score 6, how long time do I need, and so on. So I decided to share my opinions in this issue.
Okay, so how to find out how long time you need to get a certain score for IELTS. Firstly, determine what score you need to get.
In this case, if you want to study certain university or if you want to get a scholarship, you need to know minimum criteria. Below the video, you can find that in order to get a certain score, which level you must have. For example, if you want to get a score 7, you must have a level C1, Advanced English. Second, determine your level. In order to determine your level, you should check not only your grammar, also speaking, listening, and writing, because all you know that IELTS consists of 4 parts: listening, writing, reading, and speaking. So it would be much better if you go to some education center and tell them you need to determine your level. So you can take mock tests of IELTS.
Now you know your current position and your destination. So third one is determine your time. In this case, we have 2 options. A is you have a certain time to reach your destination, like my friend who wants to get a score 7 by July. So it's a big deal.
July is your goal and 7 is your destination. And second option is, I have one example. One of my friends told me that he wanted to assure that he accomplished English in his life and he wanted to move on next language. So in this case, you don't know about time. Okay, let's talk about option A. Now, it's your current position here, your level, and it's your destination. And let's think you have 8 months and distance between from here to there.
So divide this distance in an 8 month, and in a month you have to accomplish this distance, and so you can divide this little distance in 4 weeks and so on. In this way you can determine how far you should go. So every month you can take a mock test to check that whether you level up or not.
Okay, let's talk about option B. In this case, you don't have a goal time, you just have a goal score. So for a week or 2 weeks, try to practice or improve your English as much as it's possible. After that, check your level again. And now you know in a week or 2 weeks how far you can go. Therefore, you can know that how far you can go in a month. So, for example,
it's a distance which you can accomplish in a month, and to reach your destination you need a month, 2 months, 3 months. Yeah, so you need to reach your destination, you need 3 months.
Okay, I hope you guys could find some useful information from this video, and AMA. Thank you for watching my video. XOXO. Good luck.
Чи ямар сэн би чамтай зөндөө тоглосон. Годод явж унталтаа. Зөндөө тоглосон шүү дээ. Би жоохон юм хийгээд яа. Тэ явж унт. Би юм хиймээр шүү. Тхүү.